Hello viewers, welcome to Shobha's Math Corner. Today's video we are going to see about NCERT Class 7th, second chapter, Fractions and Decimals. Okay, first let us see how to multiply the decimal numbers. Okay, some of the examples I have given. After this, we will go directly to the exercise problems. Now first let us see 1.3 into 10, multiplication of 10. When we are multiplying a decimal with a 10, the decimal point will move one place to the right. So 1.3 into 10. When we are multiplying with a 10, we will be getting 13.0. Okay. And second problem, 53.7 into 10. Into 10 means the decimal point will move one place to the right. So when it is moving one place to the right, we will be getting 1537.0. So the decimal point will move one place to the right and it will be placing after 7. Okay. Now the third problem, 0.08 into 100. So into 100. Into 100 means the decimal point. Into 10, when we are multiplying with the 10, the decimal point will move only one place to the right. Okay. When we are multiplying with 100, the decimal point will move two places to the right side. So when it moving two places, from here 0.08, it will come as 0.8. So this point will come after this. That is 8.0 is the answer. Okay. Now let us see how to multiply the digits. 2.5 into 0.3. How to multiply the decimal number? Just to multiply ordinarily. 2.5 into, that is 25 into 3. When we are multiplying 25 into 3, we will be getting the answer as 75. So write your answer 75. Then check after decimal how many places are there. So after decimal here 1, after decimal here also 1. So 1 plus 1. After decimal 1, 1. So 1 plus 1, it is 2. So from the answer, 2 places from the back we have to keep the decimal point. So our decimal point will come 1, 2 places before. So my answer is 0.75. Clear? Now 13 into 31. So 13 into 31, when I am multiplying a number 13 into 31, my answer I will be getting 403. But where should I keep the decimal point? Here after decimal 1 digit and 3.1 after decimal also 1 digit. So 1 plus 1, 2. So in my answer from the back 2 places before. So 1, 2, 2 digits before. So my answer is 4.03. Clear now? Then now let us see how to multiply the divisions, decimal point division. Okay, 4.8 divided by 10. I told you that when it is multiplying with the 10, the decimal point will move to the right place. But when in the case of division, the decimal point will move to the left side. So 4.8 divided by 10. When I am dividing 4.8 divided by 10, the decimal point will move one place to the left side. So when it is moving one place to the left, I'll be getting the answer as 0.48. Okay. Then 33.1 divided by 10. So when the decimal point from here, when it moves one place to the left, what will be my answer? It is 3.31. Clear now? Then divided by 100. 100 means the decimal point will move two places to the left. So from here to two places to the left, where I'll be getting? I'll be getting the answer is 4.326. Okay? Because division by 100, the decimal point will move two places to the left side. Now 7.9 divided by 1000. So 7.9 divided by 1000, it is totally 3 zeros are there. So the decimal point have to move 3 places to the left. But I have only one number, only one digit. But I need 3 digits before only my decimal point I have to keep. So what I have to do now, I add 2 zeros. 2 more zeros add in the front and keep the point over here. So what my answer is 0.0079. Okay. I hope you understood this very clearly. The multiplication of decimals and the division of decimals. Okay, in the next video we will see the problems based on this. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.